up to the top of Castle Hill. Yes, since we've given up lots of steps, unless we have to, we are taking the ascenseur, which means elevator in French. It's free to go up to Castle Hill, free to take the elevator, and this entire corridor is air conditioned, and it is so hot today that we love this air conditioning. We've reached the line. We don't care if there's a line because that means we get to stay in the air conditioning for that much longer. And here we are at the top of Castle Hill. Look at the gorgeous view of Nice. Beautiful. And a beautiful blue Mediterranean. This is part of an archaeological dig that they've been working on. Actually, it appears since the 1950s. Historians now know that the Greeks were the first to colonize above what is now known as the Old Town of Nice during the Greek Empire around 500 BC. These are the remains of a 4th century BC Greek settlement called Mica, which you can find at the top of Castle Hill. Here's more of it.
Those are large fish.
Yes, they are.
First ballerina inspiration for Circus Soleil.
Okay, do not listen to this. This is the floor we're walking on. I wonder how old those tiles are.
You notice they repeated the rose motif in the floor.
Yes. here we have an air raid siren. Hopefully it won't be used while we're here. This little cafe here at the top of the hill. When it's really hot at the top of the hill, you just have to sit down, have some ice cream, our friends Ben and Jerry, and 2 ice cold waters. And there's a gorgeous breeze here. Can't see it, but it sounds like the waterfall is right below us. So we've discovered the secret of the cannon firing we heard at noon the other day. So every day at noon, the cannon is fired. And ever since December 21st, 1863, that explosion reminds everyone in town that it's time for lunch.
It looks like a funhouse. Whoa. Careful there, my dear. We have marble steps, all different sizes.
This looks like an old fountain that maybe is not used anymore. What a wonderful breeze. And here we are overlooking the harbor or the port of Nice. The breeze up here is so wonderful. It's probably making a lot of wind noise on my video, but oh my goodness, feels so good. Look at that spooky face on the elevator. We had a wonderful day exploring Castle Hill in Nice, France. Thank you so much for coming with us. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? It's so easy and it's free. Just look below the video, hover with your mouse, find that little icon and click subscribe. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so YouTube will show this to more people. Thanks again and bye for now.